Hey, folks. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Hey, I know you've seen my videos, right? I know it's crazy, right? But I've been on the internet for a long time, making so much money. I'm in Thailand right now. But check this out. I want to introduce you to the Done For You girl, right? Hey, get your minds out of the gutter. Ariella here, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Share with them what you're gonna do from them, like in the first 6 hours or 24 hours. Go ahead.
In the first 6 hours, I am going to do the work for you.
What do you
That's
mean?
right. I am the Done For You girl, and I do it for them.
Oh, wow.
Listen,
Okay.
if you never made any money online, I know Wesley thinks this idea is crazy because this has never been done before. But today, that changes. Join me right now, click the button below in my live webinar, and I will go one step further, do the work for you, and guarantee you your first sale. Let's go, baby. Click the button below.
Let go. Click the link.